today I'm pulling back the curtains to show you a secret weapon that has totally changed how I create content. I'm talking about ChatGPT. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, you're about to learn how to script engaging, valuable, and algorithm-friendly YouTube videos faster than ever. Let's get right into it. Here's the deal. Scripting can be time consuming, and as creators we all know that time is money, and ChatGPT helps me to save time, stay creative. It provides fresh ideas and perspectives, and also optimize for the algorithm. It can help structure scripts to keep viewers engaged. If you've ever struggled with writer's block, trust me, this tool is a game changer. So in my last video I showed you how I create a content calendar using ChatGPT in less than 5 minutes, which most of you enjoyed, and I'm so happy that video was very helpful to you. Now, I told you in that video that I'm going to show you how to script those contents in the next video, which is what I'm doing now. So the content calendar, if you haven't seen that video, please go check that out so you understand what I'm talking about. The content topics we got from the calendar, the ones you've selected, now we want to make a script for them. So this is exactly what you're going to do step by step. Okay, I'm going to show you a prompt you can use to get that script. Just follow this prompt step by step. So let me walk you through my exact process. It's simple and super effective. First, we start with a clear prompt, detailed prompt. For example, write a YouTube video script on how I use ChatGPT for scripting. Make it engaging, optimized for YouTube's algorithm, and easy to follow. This ensures the output is tailored to what I need. So when it comes out, next I edit and personalize. The script it generates is a starting point. I always tweak it to match my tone, style, and my audience preference. Think of it as your co-writer, not the final draft. But if you're okay with the draft ChatGPT has given to you, you go through it and you're fine with it, then you can use that without editing it. So next we optimize for retention. I make sure the script has a strong hook to grab attention in the first 10 seconds, a cliffhanger or question to keep the viewers watching, and a call to action, which is the CTA at the end. Okay, here are some of my pro tips to get the most out of ChatGPT. Be specific. The clearer your prompt, the better the output. Don't just say write a script. Add details like the tone you want it to use, the audience, and the purpose for which the video is for. Next, you have to experiment. Okay, don't settle for the first draft. Keep refining and asking ChatGPT for adjustments. Like I just said, once you get the script, if it's not really up to standard for you, you can ask ChatGPT to tweak it, put exactly what you want. ChatGPT works with prompts. You need to be specific about what you want for it to be able to answer you and give you exactly what you need. Next is to pair it with research. ChatGPT is great, yes, but it's not a replacement for research. Use it as a supplement to your ideas, not the sole source. But also, if you want to use it as the sole source, girl, you do you. Okay, because what it gives is actually good according to the prompt. That's why I say your prompt has to be very good and solid. Now let's talk strategy. YouTube rewards videos with high engagement and watch time. Here's how scripting with ChatGPT helps. It gives you clear structure. It keeps viewers engaged because the content flows smoothly. Also, value-driven content ensures you're delivering actionable tips or entertainment. Retention hook. ChatGPT can help you craft lines that make viewers want to stick around. Most of my videos are being scripted with ChatGPT. That's an inside secret. Okay, I just tweak them to how I want them to be, but it helps me stay focused and stay on track when I'm talking to you guys, so I do not deviate from what the topic of the day is about. It makes it easy for you to flow when speaking to your audience because you already have your bullet points of everything you want to say and where you're heading to. So yeah, I would advise you scripting, and I also advise you to try this method with ChatGPT. Trust me, it works. I use it, so it works. And there you have it. That's how I use ChatGPT to script my YouTube videos. It's fast, efficient, and helps me focus on what I do best, creating awesome content for you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button also. Let me know in the comments if you have tried using ChatGPT to script, or if you're going to try using ChatGPT for your content creation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.